So through 4-H, we've been able to get involved on both the community level and kind of the national level. And it's shown me how involvement through a program like this can really let one person have a huge impact on their community.
We got invited to go to Utah for a computer science summit with a lot of different kids from other states, and to be invited to that just gave me a lot of confidence in myself.
Mm-hmm.
And then actually being there was so inspiring, to be surrounded by these kids that all had these big plans for their state, not for their community, for their state. That was incredible.
It definitely broadened my vision of the scope of 4-H. I got to meet a lot of teen leaders from other states and get to talk to them about the problems they were trying to address with computer science education in their specific states. So not only did it help us come up with maybe new routes to apply computer science education to in our county, it also helped me learn that 4-H is a global network that I'm a part of, and I can reach out to people in other states for help with what we're doing here in our own community.